Promotions and manufacturer rebates are an important part of maximizing store profitability. In this video, we'll walk through how to manage rebates inside CronySoft, including creating rebate deals, assigning items, tracking active promotions, and understanding how rebates amounts are tied to vendors and scan data reporting. To begin, head over to the Smart Search and search for rebates. Select it from the results to open the rebates module. This section allows you to manage promotional rebates deals tied to specific products and vendors. Inside the rebate screen, you'll see a complete list of all rebate deals currently configured in the system. The table displays information including item count, rebate description, vendor name, rebate amount, start and end date. These rebates are typically connected to promotional agreements from vendors or providers such as Altria, mix and match promotions, or manufacturer promotional deals. The rebate amount shown here represents the amount that can be redeemed back through scan data reporting. At the top, when you click Summary, this section provides a quick overview of your rebates activity, including the total amount of rebates, active rebates, and inactive rebates. This just helps you quickly monitor how many promotions are currently active inside the system. To edit an existing rebate, click the Edit icon besides the rebate entry. Inside the Edit window, you'll find two sections, Details and Add Items. Under the Details tab, you can configure rebate description, vendor, rebate amount per pack, start date, and end date. This determines how much rebate value is associated with the promotion and how long the rebate remains active. After making changes, you can click Save. Next, open the Add Items tab. This section allows you to assign products to the rebate promotions. You can either scan the barcode, search for the products, or add qualifying items manually. Once added, the system displays UPC, item name, and retail pricing. These are the products tied directly to the rebate agreement. For example, if a product qualifies for a manufacturer rebate, the rebate amount configured earlier will apply to these items during reporting and redemption processing. To create a new rebate, click the Add button. Inside the Add Rebate window, begin under the Details section by entering the rebate description, vendor, rebate amount per pack, start and end date. After entering the rebate details, move to the Add Items tab. Over here, you can either scan the item or search for the products that should be included in the rebate promotion. Once all qualifying items are added, click Save. Back on the main rebate screen, you can use additional tools such as Search, Export, or Color Boost. These tools just help you organize and manage rebate records more efficiently. The Export option that allows you to download rebate information in multiple formats, including CSV, Excel, or PDF. You can also email these reports directly from the system when needed. The rebate system works alongside your promotional scan data reporting. When qualifying products are sold, the sales data can later be submitted back to the manufacturer or the vendor for reimbursement. The rebate amount configured in the system helps track exactly how much can be redeemed back based on the item's sales, volume, and promotional agreements. And that's how you manage rebates inside CronySoft. From creating promotional rebate deals to assigning qualifying items and tracking reimbursement amounts. The Rebates module helps you simplify vendor promotion management and rebate reporting. And that's all for the Rebates module. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and turn the bell notification on so you can stay posted with our upcoming module videos. I'll see you guys in our next video.